Good afternoon, guys. My name is Ayodeji. This evening, I'm going to teach you guys how you can format your system using external hard disks or flash. This process is very simple and very easy to do. And this evening, I'm going to take you how you can use your external hard disks as a bootable disk. I can make this external hard disk a bootable disk. So in this tutorial, I'm going to use a software called Win2Flash software. This Win2Flash is just a software that will make this external hard disk. It will create a bootable file inside this external hard disk. And in this tutorial, I'm going to use external hard disk because I want to install Windows 7 on this system, and the DVD-ROM of this system is not that good. So I'm going to use this external hard disk to format it. I will have used this flash, but it's just because the capacity of this flash is very slow. It's very low. And the capacity of this flash is just 1.7 gig, and Windows 7, the capacity of Windows 7 is 2.4 gig, so this flash cannot accommodate it. So we are going to use this external disk, and the capacity of this external disk is 300 gig. The capacity can accommodate Windows 7 disk, so we are going to use it. And before we forge ahead, open your browser, and we are going to use Google Chrome. This Google Chrome. Just launch your browser, and perfect. On the address bar, just type google.com. Enter google.com. You need to wait for a couple of minutes for the perfect. Now in the search area here, just type Win2Flash. Win2Flash. Wow, we have a couple of results here, so just pick one. You can click here, Win2Flash free download, but I would prefer you to use this. So I'm going to use this first link. Just click this first link. You wait for a couple of minutes, but because the network here in Nigeria was very slow, so just needs to wait for a couple of minutes for the server to respond. So we're going to use we have 3 to 4 results. We are going to use this second. The one I'm going to use in this tutorial is this second link. Official server #1 via FTP 0.0057 beta. So I'm going to use this second link, and you click, the thing we just download. Wow. And the very advantage of formatting disks using external hard disks or USB flash, using external hard disks or USB flash, is just that it is very fast. It will save your time, and also the lifespan of your. It will save the lifespan of your internal DVD-ROM rather. So I'm going to use external disks. And most especially in Nigeria here, there are some systems that they do not come with internal DVD-ROM, so it's very be of an advantage for them as well. So the Windows Flash is just 24 megabytes of size. So you wait for a couple of times for the browser to download it. So you just wait. The next tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how you can hack or how you can log into your Windows 7 if you forgot your password and you didn't use a password reset disk. So these have led many people to just reformat their system, and fortunately for them, they will lose their job. So in my next tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how you can bypass your Windows 7 password. So looking forward for that. So while we are waiting, let's switch over to this system. You will on this system, just on it, and set the booting priority to, we press F2 to enter the setup. F2 to enter the setup. Just wait for a couple of times for the system to boot. And while this one is downloading. So now the thing is ready. There is BIOS setup, and then you will go to boot sequence. This boot sequence. There is window. This is there. This is their password. Their BIOS setup. So you just go to boot setup, and you come here. This is BIOS setup. After clicking BIOS setup, it will load what is inside the BIOS setup, the boot sequence. So here we have disk drive, internal HDD, that is your hard disk. Then we have USB storage, CD/DVD/CD writer drive. So the first boot priority here is diskette drive. So you just come here and change this USB storage. Just click up, followed with your internal HDD, because you want to boot from external device, external HDD, which is our external hard disk, which is the USB storage. We want to copy file from USB storage to the system. So we are going to make the external hard disk the first in the boot setup. So I mean that we want to use our DVD-ROM. Just click on DVD and just click up. So it will make the DVD-ROM the first in the boot setup. So after that, just come down here and click apply. So next thing, then you exit. So now we exit the BIOS setup. We've already saved it now. So let's come here again and see, maybe our downloading is finished. Downloading is still in progress. So you just wait for a couple of times for the downloading to finish. This is we already have Windows 8 installed on it, but the user, the owner of the machine, it didn't want that. It didn't like Windows 8 interface, so it prefer using Windows 7. So that's why in this story I'm going to take you. We format our system using Windows 7. So the downloading is finished. Just minimize your browser. Just minimize it. Go to ay.net and go to downloads. There is the Windows Flash. The first one here is the Windows Flash. Just right click and click extract file. Extract file. Yes, perfect. And it will show you a dialog box, and I want to extract my home to the desktop. Just click desktop. We've already have a file on our desktop. I have a file on my desktop called ay.net. And just press OK. Just press OK. So the file will be extracted to the ay.net on the desktop. Just minimize this one. Wow. There is a file on the desktop. Open it. Yes. Then we have a couple of files here. But you will run this windowflash.exe. Windows Flash. Then you press yes. This file is not going to install your system, it will just run. So press next. Next. Yes. Now here you need to do some settings. Now you can insert your Windows 7 disk. You insert your Windows 7 disk. Just insert your Windows 7 disk here. The disks of this system, the DVD writer is good. Why this one? It's not that the lens is weak. It's not that strong. So I want to move this Windows 7 disk to this external disk. So I now use this external disk on the system. That's what I want to do. You insert it. Now you take the cord of your hard disk, can place this one here and then insert it in the system as well. So we insert two devices, two hardware. This external disk and our disk, USB disk. Can you remember? So now, on this dialog box, you come back to this dialog box. Window path, okay, just close this one. Don't need it. We don't really need it. Just this window path, you click select and choose the destination of the disk. Explore my computer. Explore my computer and scroll down here a little bit. This is your DVD-ROM. Just click your DVD-ROM and press OK. Also, you click on select to locate your external disk. Just explore my computer and scroll down. This is our local disk G. It's our external disk. Then you click OK. When that one is finished, just click on next, and this dialog box is just a license agreement. Just click yes, you accept, then you choose continue. This warning message is just notify you that you have an important file inside the hard disk. So it is very, very essential for you to move all your files inside the external disk to one computer before you continue. But I've done that. So I don't need any files inside the hard disk until the only job I want to use it for now. So don't need anything. If you don't need anything, if you have back up your file inside the external disk, just click OK. So you wait for about 4 to 6 minutes for the disk to prepare. If you just format, it will first of all format your external disk, and then later it will copy all the disks, all the files inside the disk to external disk, and the disk will be ready. So the purpose of this software is just to create a bootable file inside your external disk. So it will make your external disk a bootable file, a bootable storage, like your CD-ROM. So that does it. Some people don't know how to do it. You just insert the disk and right click on my computer and copy the disk and paste it directly here. But it's not that work. That's not how we normally do it. So you need software. Either you use software to do the formatting, or also you can use code. But in this tutorial, I'm going to take you how you use software. And the software we are using is Win2Flash. This is the software, Win2Flash. Novicon Win2Flash. So, as I said earlier, you wait for a couple of minutes for it to be done. In my previous post, I've explained how you can format your system, any window except Windows 8, and you can also visit my blog jamslive.com. There you can see a pictorial image on how you can format your system using USB disks. I've analyzed everything out there, and I'm very sure it will be of a good advantage for you to do that. In most cases, it took up to 1 to 3 minutes for the disks to format your external disks, depending on the capacity of the RAM installed on your system. In my previous years, when I want to do a kind of job like this, I normally go to the market and rent external hard disks to do the formatting. and it will take me nothing less than 700 to 500 naira, which is very very expensive here in Nigeria here. So, but today I've made a research on how you can use your external hard disks to do the formatting. Once, what you just need to do is to look for a complete system like this, like the one I'm using. I have a complete system. Just insert the disks and download the Win2Flash application. After that, use the Win2Flash application. Just follow this procedure and moving the file to external disks. After that, you make this your system. The boot priority of this system should be USB disks. The first boot priority of it should be USB disks. So you select USB disks for this system, and also you move back and insert your external disks. That's all. Like I said earlier, the thing will take you nothing less than 10 to 15 minutes to finish, and after that it should be done. Don't forget to subscribe. If you see this tutorial very helpful for you, don't just forget to subscribe. You can also like our fans page, facebook.com/pcgroovillage.com. Yes, almost done. The thing is almost done. Just wait for a couple of time for the disc to ready. You will hear a sound, a beep sound when the thing is done. Yeah, the thing is done. Just click next, then exit. Just close the software, close, and you close the window. The next thing for you is just to eject the external hard disk. Just eject the external hard disk. Now that we have done with this system, you can shift it somewhere and draw this one very close to you. Draw this one very close to you, and then you first of all insert this to this place. You inserted this. After the insertion, on the system, automatic, the system will boot from the DVD. As you can see, perfect. It is very, very fast. Now, just click next, install. Just wait for a couple of minutes, as you can see. Then just click next. You accept the software license team. Then you click next. Click next. Then you install the system and the operating, you choose the partition that you want to install the operating system on. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the join fans and to subscribe for the next video. In the next tutorial, I'm going to take you, as I said earlier, how you can bypass your Windows 7 password. Thank you for watching. My name is ay.net. Love you all, guys. Bye.